Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And since natapos na nga natin yung roofing ng ating mga succulents, the next thing that I wanted to do is to add plant tags sa kanila kasi over time talagang nakakalimutan ko yung mga IDs ng mga succulents natin. So it's not always na lagi kong memorize yung kanilang mga pangalan. Kaya yun nga, lalagyan natin sila ng plant tag. So yung gagamitin natin is 1 centimeters yung lapad niya, then yung haba niya naman is only 5 centimeters. So kumbaga it's not really that big and not small. Just to give you an example of these two succulents na mukha silang pareho but they are totally different and they are both succulent cuttings kaya medyo nalilito ako kung sino nga ba si ganito at si ganyan. So ito is the Echeveria lotion. And dito naman sa kabila is yung ating Graptocidum mule. So, it's really helpful talaga if may mga tags sila, especially if we're gonna be leaf propagating them or making some stem cutting. So, ito nga yung ating propagation area. So, lahat na sila nalagyan ko ng succulent IDs or succulent plant tags just to make sure na habang lumalaki sila, hindi ko makalimutan yung mga names nila. Ayan, so we have yung mga leaf propagations natin. Sobrang importante pala na lagyan natin sila ng mga tag. So we can also write, for example, yung date dyan or anything important. Pwedeng-pwede nyong isulat dyan sa kanilang plant tags. So, I tried to use yung typical na pen na 0.7 yung kapal niya pero hindi siya ganun sumusulat dito nga sa ating plant tags. And so, I decided to buy another pen. So, ito yung Sharpie. Nabili ko siya sa National Bookstore for 69 pesos only. And yung tip niya is ganyan para talaga siyang ballpen and sobrang dali niya ngang gamitin and isulat dito nga sa ating plant tag. So yung plant tags kasi natin is gawa siya sa PVC. So talagang waterproof siya. So ibig sabihin dapat yung gagamitin nating pen is something na waterproof din and yung talagang kumakapit dito nga sa ating plant tag. So, okay naman. Napaka-smooth lang gamitin nitong nabili nating Sharpie na pen dito sa ating plant tag. So, you can always or you can just simply go to your local bookstore and look for that brand. So, I also tried na tanggalin siya using an alcohol and hindi siya basta-basta natanggal. And so, itong ating peach candy here talagang nabasa na ito ng ulan but then hindi pa rin nag-fade yung ating parang nilagay na tag dyan. So, alam nyo na, that brand is really good just in case you're looking for a good marker for your plant tag. So, itong mga nandito, yung mga bago nating biling succulents, yung iba, I can still remember pero yung iba completely nakalimutan ko na kaya later I will also be adding plant tags on them. So finally, nalagyan na natin yung iba nating mga succulents ng name tags although madami-dami pa yung dapat kong isulat and ilagay later. So, pag malayuan, hindi natin masyadong halata yung plant tags, which is I really like. Pero pag malapitan, doon natin makikita na may mga plant tags pala sila, and even if na yung mga succulents natin are too big already and natatabunan na nila yung iba nating plant tags, it's completely okay as long as pag i-check ko sila, I can easily see or remember yung names ng ating mga succulents. So if you're looking for that kind of plant tag na ginamit natin, you can just simply visit our official Shopee and Lazada stores. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, A Desert Succulent page.